Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, February 22nd. Today I'm going to read an essay from Mark Nepo's book of Awakening, and then we do a short reflection around it as usual. Today's essay is titled The Courage to Join. The real story comes from a love source that cannot be understood with intellect, but known only as a person is known. This is a quote by Coleman Barnes. I'll read it again. The real story comes from a love source that cannot be understood with intellect, but known only as a person is known. Living in modern times has turned us into watchers, placing a sliver of distance between us and everything we need. It is this watching that disheartens our days, that takes the color out of the earth and makes the songs of time sound flat. The Native American view on this is healing. With respect for all aspects of creation, we are asked to honor whatever we see, rock, rain, fence, or stranger, as a member of our family. By honoring all things as living, the courage to join with the universe becomes a manner of being that can happen even while sitting still. In knowing the world this way, there is no such thing as metaphor. The wind is not like God's voice. The wind is God's voice. Memories are not images of loved ones returning to us. They are the spirits of loved ones visiting us. It takes courage to remove the sliver of distance we carry around our necks, but the reward is a world alive and not dead. Such courage lets the juices of the world flow. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, natural. See if you can get a sense of freedom, a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, letting all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Well, let's begin by connecting to the rhythm of the world around us through the Soham mantra. I'll remind you that this mantra, Soham, S-O-H-U-M, reflects the sounds of breathing, and at the same time, it has a contemplative meaning. It can be translated as, I am all that is. So now keep your attention on the tidal rhythm of your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your inhalation and exhalation. In and out. In and out. And when you feel comfortable, start adding the mantra Soham mentally or out loud. As you inhale, say So to yourself. And as you exhale, say Hum. So, Hum. So, Hum. And once The Soham rhythm has been established. Begin to contemplate the deeper meaning of it. As you inhale with the mantra So, say to yourself, I am, connecting to your essential self. Contemplate the source of your breath. Where is it coming from? As you exhale with the mantra Hum, inwardly say all that is. Feel how your exhalation releases into the expanse around you. Maybe visualize your exhale leaving your body through your nostrils and then merging back into the atmosphere, back into infinity, back into all that is. So hum. So hum. So hum. Now open your eyes if they were closed. Look around you and imagine that the things around, window, tree, rug, bed, door, what have you, are alive in the way that plants are alive. Silently or out loud repeat, I am all that is. So hum. I am that window. I am that door. I am that tree. So hum. I am all that is. And as you breathe with this mantra, feel the energies of these things breathe with you. So hum. I am part of this universe, not separate from it. So hum. Through your heart's beating, take the chance to really welcome all those things you see around you into your life. Join in with them in the rhythm of living. So hum. I am all that is. So hum. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. May I feel one with the universe. May I join in. And as you gently let go of your practice, as always, scan your body. Notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this contemplation. By honoring all things as living, the courage to join with the universe becomes a way of living, a way of being, even when sitting still. Use the mantra Soham too if it helps. And as always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.